Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 8th class Maths chapter 1 rational numbers. In that chapter, one topic I am going to explain, that is conversion of decimal numbers into rational numbers. Okay, conversion of decimal form into rational form. Means this conversion is two types. First one is converting terminating decimal into rational form. Means conversion of decimal, terminating decimal into rational form. How we can convert that process? Very simple example. See, terminating decimals in the sense, these are the example. One example is this. This is a terminating decimal. Okay, terminate, ending. Okay, it will end that. Okay, so 1.5, this is the terminating decimal. This terminating decimal we are converting into rational number, means rational form. How we can convert? Very simple, just you have to remove the decimal point and how many digits are there here, right side. Here how many digits are there, that many zeros we need to write in the denominator. Very simple. So one digit only there, after decimal point only one digit is there, so denominator we should write 10. Okay, so 1.5 will become 15 by 10. Okay, one more example. Suppose 15.75 is there. This is a terminating decimal. This terminating decimal, how we can convert into rational form, means P by Q form. Very simple, just you have to remove the decimal point here. Now after removing, it will becomes 1575 divided by how many digits are there after decimal point? 1, 2. 2 digits are there, means we should write 100, means 2 zeros in the denominator. Whenever 2 zeros in the denominator, in the sense that is a 100 only, no. So like this, for any decimal, terminating decimal, we should convert in rational form. Very simple, just by removing the decimal point. Okay, I hope you understood. Next is converting non-terminating decimal into rational form. For this, non-terminating decimal means that process will not end. Suppose example, just I am taking one non-terminating decimal, 0.4 bar. 0.4 bar. 4 bar is there in the sense that it is not ending, that process is not ending. While doing division, that the quotient will repeating. Okay, bar indicates this 4 is repeating every time. Okay, so this is one of the example of converting non-terminating decimal into rational form. This how we can convert this non-terminating decimal into rational form. One method is there. By doing that method, I will show you how to write in rational form this non-terminating decimal. Okay, for this I am taking this example and I will explain how to convert. Okay. See here, I told you example. This is a non-terminating decimal number. This non-terminating decimal number, how we can convert into rational form? Very simple. Just for given rational number, non-terminating decimal, let us take x is equals to 0.444. Bar indicates repeating of that digit, I said already. So up to so on. Let us say equation 1. Okay. Let us say equation 1. Next, we have to find out what is periodicity. Just period means 4 is the period here. Periodicity is 1. Why? Because for one digit only bar is there. That's what, for how many digits that bar will be, that periodicity we should take. Suppose for one digit bar means periodicity is 1. For two digits, suppose 0.42 bar. Okay, here 1, 2. For two digits bar is there. So here periodicity is 2. Here bar is for one digit only. Here periodicity is 1. Okay, I hope you understood. Here first we have to take periodicity. Periodicity. Here periodicity is 1. So whenever periodicity is 1, we should multiply by 100 for equation 1. Okay, here so multiply by 10 on both sides of equation 1. Okay. Equation 1 you should take and you should multiply by 10 on both sides, left hand side, right hand side. So 10 into x, 10x. So 10 into 0.444 up to so on. Now 10x is equals to, here you should multiply inside the bracket. So decimal point will move one digit. Why? Because we are multiplying with 10. So 4.444 up to so on. Let us say equation 2. Okay. Now you should subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. Just I am subtracting equation 1 from 2. Here 2 as it is here only. Just equation 1 I am writing down of this equation 2. So 0.44 up to so on. This is equation 1. This equation 1 I am subtracting from equation 2. Okay. While subtracting 4 minus 4, 0, 0, 0, decimal point as it is. Here 4 minus 0, 4 only. Okay, which is equals to 10x minus x, 9x. Okay, now 9x is equals to 4. Okay, 9x is equals to 4. Now here take the transpose. Transpose of multiplication will gives division. So this is P by Q form. What is this form? P by Q form. P by Q form in the sense we can call that is a rational form. Therefore, the rational form of non-terminating decimal 0.4 bar is 4 by 9. So 0.4 bar rational form is 4 by 9. This is the how to represent rational form of the given non-terminating decimal. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.